In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this network requires user registration on Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing we need to do is to just go into system settings here on our Nintendo Switch, as you can see, and then you need to click on internet right here. And then click on internet settings, of course, and then it's just going to load for us here for a couple of seconds. So now when it's done loading here, you need to select that specific Wi-Fi that you need to connect to, and then click on connect to this network, as you can see. For me, it's going to connect now because I've already fixed that problem, but if you get that error message in here that it says like this network requires user registration, then you should be able to also see like a next button that you can click. So when you click on that next button, you will be taken to an admin login page or something like that, where you need to enter the username and also the password for that specific Wi-Fi. Sometimes it's just the password and not username, just so you know. But basically, if you are in a hotel or at an office or something like that, you can ask them what's the password for that specific Wi-Fi. They hopefully will provide that to you, and you can just write it in that next step and then click on connect. So basically, that is exactly how to actually fix that problem.